Hello traders, FpC&x here. Today is Friday, July 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound yen, I still believe this is an uptrend for an A. I still think this is three ways down for an A, B, C, or B. I still think this is like a 1-2, and we're in a wave 3, which I still don't even think is over. I still think it's going to go up and finish off the 3, 4, and 5 of wave C. I still believe it's going to go up someplace around the 205 area. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is a 1 and a 2, and I think all this move up to the upside is all just subdivisions of a big wave 3. I still don't see any reason to think the wave 3 is over. I definitely don't see any structure break or anything that would tell me that the wave 3 is over, telling me that I am definitely primarily still looking for longs on shorter time frames for the continuation of this big wave 3, most likely a wave 3 of wave C, just like I showed on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I was originally thinking this move up right here would be a wave B and it would go down again for a wave C before it went up. But on the daily time frame, I do potentially see that it made three waves down, so it very easily could just keep on going up from here. And it may not even be a wave 5, honestly. It could just be a subdivision of a much bigger trend like what I was showing on the weekly and monthly time frame, and may just keep on making higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where I was thinking that this was a trend right here. Looks like a wave A. Now I do potentially see three waves up right here, which is why I think it could be a wave B, and this move down actually could be the wave C, and it could already be continuing the uptrend, which at this point I think is probably the most likely scenario. Now if this really is like a wave A, and this really is a B, and this really is a C, like I was potentially originally thinking, then it would probably do something like this, making a pulse move down, break structure, and then go down again for a C, and then back up for the continuation of the uptrend. But like I said, I mean, I still have this here marked as a potential wave B, but honestly, at this point, it kind of seems like it's more likely to just keep on trending up. And until this 4 hour time frame shows us that it's going down by doing something like that and breaking structure to the downside, I am doing nothing on the shorter time frames by looking for longs anyways. So if it does just keep on trending up like that, then that's not going to affect me at all, except for maybe make me more profitable than it would if it really was a wave B. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, this is a very, very strong trend. We had CPI news for the yen yesterday. Look at this ABC correction. This was at the yen news last night at around a little bit past midnight, like 1 a.m. UK time. We had three waves down. We had impulsive rep. Right at the news, that was an extremely clear end of a correction, and it's been trending up extremely strong ever since. Now, I definitely wouldn't try to go long now, but if I did see some sort of a three-way pullback and a pulse move up, I would definitely go long again for potentially the continuation of the uptrend. Or on the other hand, if it really is going to be a wave C or B, then it would probably go up one more time, make a wave 5, turn down, break structure, showing us that it really is a wave C of wave B. But I definitely wouldn't really try to go shorter unless I saw something like that, because I think at this point it's probably more likely that it'll just keep on trending up, making higher highs and higher lows. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.